Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new, my name's Ailey. Today's video is just going to be a super quick tutorial on this eye look that I'm wearing right now. Are you scared of wearing colour? Do you have hooded eyes and you're not really sure what to do with them? Do you not think that your makeup skills are that great? Well, this is the tutorial for you. I used three eyeshadows to make this look. It is not difficult at all. I know lots of people, and on my TikTok videos I get comments all the time saying that it looks difficult to do. It really isn't difficult to do. This is a really good way of using colour if you're not comfortable with using colour. So you can keep it really neutral on the top and then add your pop-up colour.
When you pick up a pop-up thing, there's so much more to enjoy.
And add your pop-up colour on the bottom. So I'm going to shut up now. I'm going to let you watch the video, and if you enjoy it, obviously I would love it if you would give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I post videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. If ever anything that you want to see from me, leave it in the comment section below and I'll definitely do my best to do it. I'm wanting to do a few more tutorials just because I really need to get some up over on my TikTok, and I kind of feel like I miss doing them. I'm losing my creativity a little bit, so I want to try and do more. Anyway, I really hope you enjoyed the video and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!